King Tucky. You see that? He tried to shake him off.
That's a largemouth, buddy.
Oh, it is?
JJ, I think today's the day. Let me turn around.
No, just stay here. I can reach him. Y'all don't need him. No.
We'll catch him.
I got him.
Quit letting him get away.
Look at him. Oh my gosh, what a cast. It's a good one too.
Go ahead, Josh.
It's a good one too, and I got to get him way in.
I'm here.
I'll probably end up losing him. I'm hossing him to crap. It's a good one though. Hey, he spit a big old shad.
Right here.
Oh, that's a big largemouth.
Oh, that's larger. Big larger. How big is it? That's a good one.
Biggest one. Monster. I mean, that's a 6.5 ouncer.
90 mile cast every time. I just missed one. Oh, got him. You know, one on each side?
Yeah. I ain't got one.
Hey, that might be a decent fish.
Oh, heck yeah. There he is. That's smallmouth. Finally got that big old spot. Birdie. Probably scared him. Got so close to him. See him pushing them minnows?
Yeah. Oh man, I threw it on the wrong side. No, maybe I didn't. They're everywhere. Oh.
My gosh, dude, look at him coming up. I got one. Come on, get in here.
Oh, I got one too.
I lost him, man.
Make it a triple.
Oh, we got.
Oh, mine come off.
Oh, crap. I lost it. He's going.
On the other side of the boat,
He's
too.
going home.
Is he going home?
Daddy's just going home. Mine isn't.
If they're
Oh,
big enough to eat, they're going
shoot.
home.
Mine was a little bitty, so I threw it back.
Yeah, he was little.
Oh. Yeah, I didn't even show Daddy's while he was taking it.